Hey there, folks. Welcome back to Bilal Consultancy Limited. Today, we've got a topic that might sound a bit fancy, but don't worry. We're going to break it down in simple terms. We're talking about the tools we use to make sure things are good quality. We all want things to be good, right? Whether it's the food we eat, the toys we play with, or even the stuff we use at work, quality matters. Now, there are old school tools people used for a long time, and there are these shiny new tools everyone's talking about. Let's find out what's what. Traditional tools. First up, the classics. Traditional tools are like the wise elders of quality checking. Think of them like your grandma's secret recipe for cookies, passed down through generations and time-tested. People have been using these tools for a long time, and they know what they're doing. Traditional tools have that comforting familiarity, like your grandma's baking ritual. They're like the dependable ingredients she uses to make those perfect cookies, ensuring consistency and a tried-and-true method. Traditional tools include things like checklists and manual inspections. Checklists are a bit like following a recipe. Each step is crucial, and missing one could affect the final result. Manual inspections are like when someone looks closely at something to make sure it's just right, just as your mom inspects your room to ensure everything is in order. Imagine a skilled chef tasting the soup to make sure it's seasoned perfectly. That's the essence of manual inspection. It's hands-on and meticulous, ensuring that every detail meets the standard. These traditional tools have been the backbone of quality control in various industries, just like how artisans and craftsmen have been honing their skills for centuries. There's a certain craftsmanship in using these methods, creating a sense of pride and expertise. So, while traditional tools may not have the flashiness of the latest gadgets, they have a timeless quality that adds a human touch to the process. Like your mom making sure your room is tidy, these tools bring a sense of care and attention to detail that's hard to replicate. New Age tools. Now, let's talk about the new kids on the block, the New Age tools. These tools are like the cool gadgets that make life easier. They use fancy technology to do the heavy lifting, just like the latest smartphone making communication a breeze. Imagine upgrading from an old flip phone to a sleek, high-tech device. That's the leap from traditional to new age tools. These tools bring a modern flair to quality control, utilizing advanced techniques to enhance efficiency and precision. Automation and data analytics are two of these cutting-edge tools. Automation is like having a robot checking your room instead of your mom. It's not just a time saver, it's a game changer. Robots can tirelessly perform tasks, ensuring consistent and accurate results without the limitations of human fatigue. Think of it as having a personal assistant that never gets tired or distracted, diligently making sure everything meets the highest standards. Now, let's talk about data analytics. It's like having a super smart friend who can look at a bunch of information and tell you what's going on. Imagine if that friend could analyze heaps of data in seconds and provide insights that would take us ages to figure out. Data analytics can process large volumes of information, identifying patterns and trends that might be difficult for the human eye to catch. It's like having a detective solving a mystery, revealing hidden details that lead to better decision-making. So, whether it's a robot inspecting products or data analytics unraveling complex information, these new age tools bring a level of speed and precision that was once only a dream. They're the superheroes of quality control, combining advanced technology with efficiency to ensure that every detail is not just met but exceeded. Fun point. Now that we've taken a closer look at both the classics and the new age tools, stay with us as we dive into the pros and cons of each. Remember, it's not about old versus new. It's about finding the right balance for the best results. Stick around, and let's continue our journey into the world of quality control. Pros and cons. Evaluating the best fit. So, here we are, at the crossroads, asking the age-old question, which is better, the tried-and-true old-school methods or the cutting-edge new-age tools? Well, it's not that simple. Let's dissect this dilemma by examining the strengths and weaknesses of each. Traditional and new age. Traditional tools, like your reliable old friend, have a history of being steadfast and dependable. One of their major strengths is their reliability. They've been around forever, establishing a track record of success. It's like the comfort of your favorite well-worn pair of shoes. You know exactly what to expect. However, the downside is their speed, or rather, the lack of it. Traditional methods can be slow, akin to taking a leisurely stroll when the world around you is running a marathon. In an era where time is often of the essence, this can be a significant drawback, emphasizing the potential slowness of traditional tools. On the flip side, we have the new age tools, the high-tech marvels that promise speed and efficiency. Their strength lies in their ability to get things done quickly, like upgrading from snail mail to lightning-fast emails. Futuristic gadget to represent new age tools. However, the potential weakness here is the risk of missing that personal touch. Automation, while precise and quick, might lack the nuanced understanding that a human inspector brings to the table. It's like the difference between a handwritten letter and a generic email. One has a personal touch, the other is efficient but lacks the warmth. So, which is better? It depends on the context, the task at hand, and the goals you're aiming to achieve. It's not a matter of one being superior to the other, but rather finding the right fit for the situation. Perhaps it's about combining the reliability of the old with the efficiency of the new, creating a harmonious blend that leverages the strengths of both worlds. Conclusion. As we conclude our exploration into the realm of quality control tools, remember, it's not about choosing sides. It's about making informed choices that suit the needs of the moment. Thanks for hanging out with us today. If you learned something new, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Until next time, stay awesome!